Rita here, back with another video. And in today's video I have my older son Emmett. Emmett, would you like to say something?
Yeah, welcome to my mommy's video, and today my mommy's going to wash my hair today, and then my hair is going to be beautiful. And if you want to watch this video, post the channel to mommy's channels
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
Okay guys, now that you've said all that, so in this video I will be showing you guys a DIY mask to stimulate hair growth, as well as the regular routine that I use to wash my hair as well as his hair. So I'm just gonna untie his hair. So for this video, all you'll need, and sorry for my voice because I am not sick. I don't know what's going on with my voice. I'm just losing it. Okay, so for this video, you'll need ghee. So I've done some research on ghee, and I've always known it to be an Indian butter, but I've just found out that it's actually Ethiopian butter. Either way, it's the same damn thing. Ethiopian butter, ghee, whatever. Alright. So the ghee you can get at No Frills, I believe, and any of your beauty stores. You'll also need aloe vera. So you can get aloe vera at Food Basics for sure, sometimes at No Frills, and sometimes at Walmart. Now, the key ingredients in this mask is the ghee. So you can substitute this. You can put coconut oil, you can put extra virgin olive oil, but you cannot substitute the butter because the butter is the main ingredient. So remember that.
If you do that,
I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like because it has to be heated up.
And if you do,
oh my god, I don't know if you can see this. Okay, it looks grainy, and then you have to heat it up in order to use it, so that it could be in a liquid, like a more liquid runny form.
And you need it to put in your hair, because you need your hair so the sun can get on your face.
Okay, all right. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut the aloe vera, mix it in with the ghee, and then we're gonna put it in Emmett's hair. And this is also what I do for my hair. What's wrong?
My turn. And then you need it on your hair, so it don't come off.
Okay. He is so opinionated. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna put it in his hair. Usually I leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to put it in and wash it out to show you guys, because I've already done this for him. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. Alright guys, so I've heated up my butter. So it looks like this. Like basically oil. Bless you, Ace. And then I'm just going to show you guys how I cut my aloe vera. So I just cut it a lot, just a little bit. So I just slice the edges or the sides. And then I just try to cut this out, just like so. And then I just do that. And then try to take it all out. So basically I'm just getting the jelly part of it. And then I'm just going to mix it all together, like so. So mix. And for this, it doesn't have to be like a homogeneous consistency. It just has to be mixed together, that's all. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it into Emmett's hair. So it's basically just like oil. And then you'll have clumps of the aloe vera gel in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of it in his hair. And then we'll just wait a couple minutes and then I will wash it off. So when you're rubbing it in your hair, you want to rub it in the roots or on the scalp, because obviously that's where the hair grows from. So this DIY mask, I've actually used it for a while now, and it actually helped me. I've grown like a few inches, but my hair is already long, so you can't really tell. But I will be chopping it all off soon to give it to the Cancer Society so that they can make weaves or whatever they make for those cancer patients that don't have hair. So then I will be using this regularly, and I will track and update you guys on the growth of my hair. So I'm just gonna tie it up and let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll wash it off. Okay guys, so now I have already put everything in his hair. I just tied it up a little bit, and then we're gonna wait a few minutes. So like I said before, I usually wait 20 to 30 minutes, and then I wash it off. So what I use to wash my hair is this tea tree shampoo and tea tree conditioner. You don't have to use this one. You can use whatever you have. I've been basically trying a bunch of shampoo and conditioners for a while now to find the right one, and then I like this one. I used to use the One Hair Care before, but then I keep running out of it and I forget to order every time. So I just decided to go to Winners and find something that I like. So I actually got this for 30 bucks. And it lasts me for like 2-3 months because I only wash my hair once a week. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to give you the breakdown of how I actually wash my hair, and you'll also get a chance to see. So first I turn on the water temperature to lukewarm. And I said lukewarm, so don't go burning yourself if you want to try this out. I turn it on to lukewarm, then I take 1 pump of conditioner and I rub it into my hair for a minute. Then I wash it off with lukewarm water. Then I take 1 pump of the shampoo. I do the same thing and I wash it off with lukewarm water as well. Then lastly, I take 2 pumps of conditioner and rub it into my hair. Massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I do this because I want the mask to come off, and I also want the stinky smell to come off, because if you know what ghee is, you know that shit stinks. Okay, so after I'm done massaging it for about 2 to 3 minutes, I use cold water to wash it off. Cold for me is the coldest the water can go, because I just love cold water, but you don't have to put it to the coldest. Obviously, you put it to what you can tolerate. I realized that I never told you guys why warm water and cold water. So I'm using lukewarm water at the beginning of my wash because I want to open the pores and the cuticles in my hair, or around my hair, sorry, so that the dirt can come out, the oil can come out, all the yucky stuff. Like, the main reason why we wash our hair is to get all the yucky stuff out of it. So that's why you want to use lukewarm water to open up the pores, the cuticles, to get all of that out of it. And then your last wash, you should use cold water, and the reason being is that you want to close the pores and the cuticles that you've opened up when you were using that warm water. You want to close it because you want to close out the dirt that will be going into it. So once you use cold water, it closes the pores and also locks in moisture. So it makes your hair much softer and much shinier. So I will be putting a link down below on what ghee is, so you guys can read up more about it, get to know the product more before you try it. I actually recommend you guys reading up on it, because I know for myself, if someone tells me to try something, I'm definitely going to Google that. Like, I want to know what I'm trying. Alright guys, that's enough rambling now. I'm just gonna get Emmett back in here and we're gonna start washing his hair. And by the way, don't you guys think he's so bossy? Oh my god, he drives me insane. But I love the kid.
Wash my hair now. And if you want to watch this video, click Mommy's channel.
Okay. Alright guys, let's get into washing his hair. So first I just take it out. So it's like this. I'm gonna turn the pipe on. Oh, before I turn the pipe on. So I'm gonna do exactly like I said. I'm gonna take the first conditioner first. Just so you see, T3 conditioner. I'm going to start washing his hair, so you might not be able to hear me. I'm going to be washing his hair in my sink, but please don't think that I wash my kids' hair all the time in the sink. It's just for the sake of the video, okay?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we
Alright guys, so I just finished washing his hair. Look at this beautiful hair. I've wiped it out a little. Oh, it's still alright.
If you want to watch this channel, please
Subscribe.
subscribe our channel. If you want to watch us, please subscribe to our video.
Okay, Emmett.
Bye.
We get it. No, not bye yet. I'm not done. Okay, guys, I think what he's saying is that if you want to watch us, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so now that I've washed his hair and wipe off or drain off most of the water, what I usually do is I take extra virgin olive oil. So, extra virgin olive oil. And I just take a good bit. Even though his hair is wet, I rub it in. And I don't use any kind of special oil or whatever. Like I used to sometimes buy oil, but it's just a waste of money for me. And if I have coconut oil, I use that. When I don't have coconut oil, I use the extra virgin olive oil. So I've been doing that doing this for months now.
And you need it for your face, so the sun cannot burn your eyes.
Okay, Emmett, that's very amazing. That you use your hair to cover your face. Do you hear that, guys? You use your hair to cover your face to prevent sunburns.
Bye.
So that's just it. So now you can just let it dry and you can style it however you want to.
And
That's basically how I do my hair as well.
if you want to watch this video, subscribe from our video.
Subscribe. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I know you enjoy watching my son because he is a comedian. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't you forget to hit the notification bell as well. Be safe, spread the love, be positive. And you guys can catch me in my next video, which is coming out on Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye.